Hi people, and welcome to another Shed Life guide. I've had another package turn up, so I've already opened it, and I'm going to show you what's underneath the wrapper, and I'm going to do an unboxing and go from there. So in the packaging I have received a set of Revgrips that are shock absorbing grips. They don't actually touch the handlebars, but we'll get to that in a little while. And they sent me a free tube of smooth lube, which I shall look forward to sticking on my stanchions and see if that make them a little bit more smooth. And a couple of cup stickers. Not sure why, but there you go. So we'll now go and unbox the grips and we'll see what we've got in the box. So the first thing you see when you open the box are these rather nice grips and collets, and these bits are your bar end plugs. We've got a bunch of screws and suspension elastomers in there, and if I pick one of these out of the box, these feel incredibly sticky and soft, and as you can see there is a tube in the centre, and this does not connect to your bars directly, they stand off. So the next thing to do will be to read the instructions and see if we can assemble these. So this is the kit laid out in its entirety, and there is some assembly required. So you've got these tuning washers that go between the collets and the actual grip itself, and these elastomers, and you put 4 in each end of each collet. So quick maths, so 16 of these go into the grips, and I believe you can actually buy different grades of elastomer as well and mix and match the like the feel of the grips to sort of like tune them in and out, but we'll get to that in a little while. So I've now put the elastomers on one end, but before I fit the elastomers I put one 0.2 thick washer on the inside of where the elastomers go. And in this kit you'll see that these 4 here are the 0.1s, and these ones are the slightly thicker 0.2s. And if you look at the instructions here, you can where are we? There we go. You can tune the grip by using thick and thin washers before you put the elastomers on. And then obviously at the bottom that says you can get different inserts to combine and make different feel grips again. So I'll go through and I'll show you building the other end. So first off I'm going to take a 0.1 washer and you slip it over just like that. So now I'll fit the 4 elastomer suspension units on the end of the grip, and I've just now got to put the collar on, ready to put on the bike. So check this out. This is one grip assembled, and I've got the cap down here to go on as well. And I think these are going to look pretty blooming dope on the bike. If they work, that'll be even better. So I've assembled the grips, and I've got some washers spare. It's nice to see there's 2 spare elastomers just in case you need one, and a spare bolt for the collets. And when I better get the e-bike out and fit these to it. So I've now fitted these up and I'm not sure if the camera's going to bring this out, but this matches the Hope orange components I've got perfectly. So if I come round here so I can grab hold of the grip, I don't know if you can see this or not, but when I move it, the grip moves slowly. You can see that. So these are set on medium soft. So I guess the next thing to do is go and have a ride and see what happens. So I've just gone out for my first ride with the Revgrips and wore no gloves and took it across some rutty terrain rather than anything too mental, just so I could see if I could feel the effect. Well, I can. There's a very small movement in the grips that certainly cushions your hands, and for the first time in a long time I haven't felt any aches and pains through my arms or through my hands. The grips themselves are super tacky, as good as anything I've ever used, and I've had death grips, lizard skins, Renthal super tacky, you name it, I tried them, and these are definitely as good as anything else, if not better. Certainly they are a considerable purchase, but now I've actually tried a set for myself, I think if you can afford them, then it would be better, as it's one of your contact points, a better purchase than buying the latest Carlos Fandango add-on that come out in the magazines. So on that note, I'm going to call it quits for now, and I'll catch you later.